In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Firebase to N8N. This process will enable you to harness the full potential of N8N when connecting it with Firebase's real-time database, making data management more seamless and efficient than ever. To begin, we'll start by navigating to the Credentials section within N8N. This is your go-to area for managing all the various access points for your external services. And in our case, today, it's Firebase. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create new credentials. Click that, and among the various choices that appear, select Firebase. This option will prepare N8N to securely connect with Firebase using your unique project details. Next, you'll need to paste the JSON from your Firebase project into the credential field. This JSON contains your Firebase project's configuration, including sensitive access keys that authenticate N8N to interact with your Firebase project securely. It's crucial that this information is kept private and secure, so ensure that you're copying and pasting this information from a trusted source. Once you've configured your credentials, N8N offers a variety of built-in nodes to carry out different types of operations. These nodes act like different functionalities you might want to execute. Let's take a closer look at what some of these operations entail. The GET node is used when you need to read data by specifying the path. Let's say you have data stored in specific nodes within Firebase. You can access this information directly and utilize it within N8N for whatever tasks you have planned. It's a straightforward way to fetch exactly what you need without having to sift through unnecessary data. Next, we have the SET node. This is used for writing or replacing data within Firebase. Whether you're adding new entries or updating entire nodes with fresh data, this ensures that your database remains up to date. The set operation will overwrite existing data if the same path is specified, so always double-check your paths to avoid unintentional data loss. The update node works a little differently. This option allows you to perform a partial update. Instead of replacing the entire content of a node, you can target specific fields that need modification while leaving the rest untouched. It's particularly useful for making incremental changes without starting from scratch. Finally, there is the Remove node. This operation allows you to delete a specified node and its contents. This can help manage clutter and keep your database clean and relevant. However, always be cautious when deleting data, as this action is often irreversible. By understanding these nodes and how they operate, you'll be equipped to manage Firebase data smoothly within N8N. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you achieve a more connected and efficient workflow.